And finally, these are all the mantras that I know. I think after this, I'm done. Aside from Omkar chanting, which I'll show you in another video. So this is the chant that is done in traditional Indian yoga at the end of an asana class. And so it's called Salutations to the Cosmic Mother or Mother Nature. And it translates as, O Goddess Durga, Cosmic Mother, those who pray, you are free from fear. Well, translation into English is sometimes awkward. Those who pray to you are free from fear. Thou impart wisdom to those who contemplate you. Thou shower thy love and affection upon all beings. Who else would free us from the bondages of poverty, sorrow, or fear? O Goddess of beauty and creation, your auspicious presence fills the universe with divinity, and your kindness fulfills all our wishes. O Goddess of three eyes, we surrender to you and offer our salutations. May there be peace, peace, peace. Okay, I'm just making sure. Yep. So this one is a little bit longer, and it's what you would do at the end of class. So you hear at the end, may there be peace, peace, peace. That is going to be the same as the chant that I just showed you, and I'm trying to remember now if we put that peace part on the end of the Guru Vandana that you do at the beginning of class, or if somehow I just have started doing that because my memory has mixed them. But anyway, it never hurts to add peace to something. Okay, so this one. Durge Smrta Harasi Biti Ashesha Janto Swaste Smrta Mati Mati Va Shubhanda Dasi Daritre Dukha Baya Harnika Twadanya Sarvopakatya Kanaya Saradantra Chitta Sarala Mangala Mangaye Shive Santu Saduke Hiranye Triambake Gwari Narayani Namostute Om. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. So salutations to the Cosmic Mother or Mother Nature.